Trump can't believe what India just achieved. In a heavily guarded testing range near the Bay of Bengal, something remarkable just happened. India achieved a major milestone in advanced military technology. A missile streaked across the sky at speeds exceeding 5 times the speed of sound. It was not just fast, it was hypersonic, representing one of the most challenging areas of modern defense technology. News of the test quickly attracted international attention. This is the story of the achievement that challenged long-standing assumptions about India's military technology. For decades, only a small number of nations had demonstrated significant progress in hypersonic weapons technology. The United States, Russia, and China had spent years and billions of dollars developing advanced hypersonic systems. India, often underestimated in military technology circles, was not always mentioned alongside those leading powers. Many analysts expected India's development of such technology to take considerably longer. Then India's Defense Research and Development Organization confirmed a successful hypersonic missile test. The missile, developed through India's domestic research and development efforts, reached speeds exceeding 5 times the speed of sound. The test represented a significant milestone for India's defense industry and demonstrated growing indigenous capabilities in advanced weapons technology. Defense analysts around the world began examining the significance of the achievement and what it could mean for India's future military capabilities. The news spread through international defense circles and eventually received wider media attention. The achievement also highlighted a major change in India's defense strategy. For years, India relied heavily on imported military technology and equipment, including significant purchases from foreign manufacturers. This development represented something fundamentally different, an increasing ability to develop sophisticated military technology domestically. It signaled that India's defense research capabilities had advanced considerably. Defense analysts began revisiting India's long-running research programs and recognizing the progress made across several areas of advanced technology. India's space program had already demonstrated significant achievements in propulsion science, materials science, guidance systems, and complex mission planning. Both fields require highly specialized knowledge in propulsion science, materials science, aerodynamics, and precise guidance systems. India's engineers and researchers have developed expertise across civilian space agencies and military research institutions, creating opportunities for knowledge and technology to move between related fields. Rather than relying entirely on imported systems, India has increasingly focused on developing critical technologies through its own research infrastructure. That approach has become an important part of India's broader effort to strengthen its defense industrial capabilities. But the strategic implications of hypersonic technology extend far beyond technological prestige. Hypersonic missiles are extremely difficult to defend against because of their combination of high speed, maneuverability, and unpredictable flight paths. Traditional missile defense systems can face significant challenges when attempting to track and intercept such weapons. For countries developing hypersonic capabilities, the technology can therefore contribute to strategic deterrence and strengthen their military position. India's progress in this field represents an important development for India's defense capabilities and the wider security environment in the region. Neighboring countries and other major military powers are likely to pay close attention as India's hypersonic technology continues to develop.
China, already possessing its own hypersonic capability, viewed India's achievement as narrowing a previously comfortable technological gap. This narrowing mattered enormously given ongoing border tensions and broader strategic competition between these two Asian powers. For India, the timing of this achievement carried particular significance given recent geopolitical tensions across multiple fronts. It demonstrated that India's defense modernization extended beyond simple equipment purchases into genuine cutting-edge indigenous research. This distinction mattered enormously for India's broader strategic positioning as an independent, self-reliant global power. Nations dependent on foreign defense technology inevitably face limitations during periods of international tension or supply disruption. India's demonstrated capacity for indigenous hypersonic development significantly reduced this vulnerability, at least within this specific technology category. Defense officials in New Delhi were notably restrained in public statements, avoiding triumphant rhetoric despite the achievement's significance. This restraint reflected broader Indian diplomatic strategy, projecting strength through capability rather than aggressive public messaging. Yet, privately, sources indicated genuine pride within India's defense research community following years of dedicated, often underfunded work. Scientists involved in the program had reportedly worked through significant technical setbacks over nearly a decade of research. Early prototype failures, funding constraints, and skepticism from international observers had all challenged the program's continued development. Persistence through these challenges ultimately produced the successful test that stunned observers worldwide, including American officials. This persistence itself became part of the broader narrative surrounding India's achievement, emphasizing patient determination over rushed development. American media coverage of the achievement revealed similar patterns to previous instances of India's underestimated capability being confirmed. Some outlets focused on the immediate strategic implications, analyzing how this shifted regional and global military balance calculations. Others explored the broader narrative of India's consistently underestimated technological capacity across multiple advanced research fields. Defense contractors and policy analysts began revising assessments of India's overall defense modernization trajectory following this announcement. Previous projections, which often assumed slower, incremental Indian defense development, required significant revision given this demonstrated capability leap. This revision extended beyond hypersonic weapons specifically, prompting broader reassessment of India's overall defense research potential. If India could achieve this milestone with historically limited defense research budgets, what other capabilities might already be developing quietly? That question began circulating widely among defense analysts, intelligence officials, and policymakers studying India's broader military trajectory. While speculation remained unconfirmed, the underlying assumption shifted significantly, treating India as a serious advanced technology developer rather than a follower. This shift in perception carried practical implications for future defense cooperation discussions between India and other major powers. Nations previously offering technology transfer as leverage in negotiations found themselves reconsidering that approach given India's demonstrated independent capability. India's negotiating position in defense partnerships strengthened considerably following this achievement, reflecting genuine technological leverage rather than mere aspiration. This shift mirrored broader patterns witnessed across India's economic and diplomatic rise over recent years and decades. Consistently, international observers underestimated India's capability, only to be surprised when significant achievements were eventually confirmed and verified. This pattern itself became a subject of analysis, with commentators questioning why India's capabilities were so frequently underestimated internationally. Some analysts pointed to historical biases, assuming developing nations lacked capacity for genuinely cutting-edge technological achievement. Others noted India's own tendency toward quiet, understated public communication regarding significant research and development milestones. This combination of external bias and internal restraint created repeated cycles of surprise following major Indian technological achievements. The hypersonic missile test represented simply the latest, though certainly significant, example within this broader recurring pattern.
For President Trump specifically, known for closely monitoring global military developments, the achievement reportedly prompted a reassessment of assumptions about India's military modernization. The development also had implications for ongoing defense cooperation and the broader strategic relationship between the two countries. It demonstrated that India's defense capabilities were advancing and that the country was increasingly developing sophisticated military technologies through domestic research. Future defense cooperation would therefore need to take India's growing indigenous research capabilities into account. Within India, the achievement generated significant national pride and was viewed by scientific communities as validation of sustained investment in domestic research and development. Educational institutions also highlighted the milestone as an inspiration for future generations of engineers and defense researchers. That educational impact could be important for maintaining long-term momentum within India's technological development. Young engineers and scientists may increasingly view defense research as a competitive and prestigious career path. For years, much of India's top engineering talent gravitated toward private technology companies or opportunities abroad. Greater recognition of domestic scientific achievements could encourage more skilled professionals to pursue careers in strategic research and development. That talent will be important for sustaining India's long-term defense modernization. The hypersonic missile achievement, significant as it is, represents one milestone within a much broader development program. India continues to invest in advanced defense technologies and research with the aim of expanding its capabilities across multiple platforms. The achievement is therefore better understood as a foundation for further development rather than an endpoint. That forward-looking approach reflects a broader pattern across India's technological and military sectors. Major achievements can serve as stepping stones toward more ambitious capabilities. For the United States, India's continued technological progress means that its strategic relationship with New Delhi will require ongoing assessment. India's steady advancement challenges assumptions that its military modernization will necessarily follow a slow or predictable path. Through achievements such as its hypersonic missile testing, India has demonstrated growing capabilities in areas once dominated by a small group of major military powers. That development requires strategic planning to remain flexible as India's capabilities continue to evolve. Future defense partnerships and broader strategic cooperation will likely take India's expanding technological capabilities increasingly into account. This may be one of the most important lessons from the achievement. India's technological rise cannot easily be explained through a simple linear model. Its progress across space, defense, manufacturing, and other strategic sectors continues to reshape perceptions of what the country can achieve. The reported reaction in Washington reflects a broader recognition of that changing reality. And as India's capabilities continue to develop, its growing role in global strategic affairs is likely to become increasingly difficult to overlook.
India, meanwhile, continues its characteristically understated approach, allowing its achievements to speak louder than triumphant public rhetoric. The successful demonstration of hypersonic missile technology through domestic research stands as a significant example of that broader national strategy. And somewhere in Washington, strategists continue studying what India might achieve next. That uncertainty itself may be one of the clearest signs of how significantly India's capabilities have advanced. There is also a technical dimension to this achievement that deserves attention beyond the broader strategic narrative. Hypersonic weapons operate differently from traditional ballistic missiles, combining extreme speed with highly maneuverable flight paths. That maneuverability can make them exceptionally difficult for existing radar and interception systems to track and counter. Developing such technology requires solving multiple complex engineering challenges at the same time, including propulsion, aerodynamics, guidance, and heat-resistant materials. At hypersonic speeds, extreme temperatures are generated by aerodynamic heating, requiring specialized materials capable of operating under severe conditions.
India's research programs have invested significantly in advanced materials and other technologies needed for high-speed flight. Guidance systems for hypersonic weapons also require exceptional precision because of the extreme speeds and changing flight conditions involved. Engineers must account for complex aerodynamic forces while maintaining accurate control throughout the flight. The combination of propulsion, materials science, aerodynamics, and guidance technology demonstrates the depth of research required to develop a functioning hypersonic system. For India, developing these capabilities domestically represents an important step in strengthening its broader defense research base. It also demonstrates the growing ability of Indian researchers and engineers to work across multiple highly specialized technical fields. This distinction matters when assessing the long-term development of India's advanced defense capabilities. Technology developed through domestic research can provide greater opportunities for adaptation, upgrades, and continued development. That could allow India's hypersonic programs to evolve as research and testing continue. India has also maintained a relatively measured public communication style when discussing many of its strategic technology developments. That approach allows the country to highlight major achievements while avoiding unnecessary escalation of international tensions. The combination of technological development and diplomatic restraint could become increasingly important as India's strategic capabilities continue to expand. Future achievements may follow the same pattern: significant technological progress accompanied by careful communication and diplomatic awareness. That is ultimately the broader lesson behind India's hypersonic missile development. It is not simply about one missile or one successful test. It reflects a wider national effort to combine technical ambition, domestic research, and strategic planning. For President Trump and American strategic planners, the development offers an important reminder that India's technological capabilities are continuing to evolve. Underestimating that progress could create challenges for future strategic planning. Adapting to this reality requires continued engagement with India as an increasingly capable technological and strategic partner.